Have you ever pondered why banana peels are essential for teeth whitening? A seemingly odd question, isn't it? After all, banana peels typically don't conjure up images of dental hygiene. Instead, they're often thought of as a comedic prop or simply organic waste. But in reality, these humble cast-offs hold a secret that's worth smiling about. You see, banana peels are more than just the protective layer of our favorite yellow fruit. Hidden within their fibrous material lies a cocktail of natural compounds that can potentially improve your dental health. Elements like potassium, magnesium, and manganese, all present in abundance, can play a role in maintaining the health of your teeth. But here's the kicker. These same elements, when applied to teeth, can have a surprising whitening effect. Yes, those banana peels you've been tossing away could be your ticket to a brighter smile. As surprising as it may seem, banana peels can be a natural solution to a brighter smile. Now you might be asking, what's the science behind this? Well, let me explain. The humble banana peel, often discarded without a second thought, is a powerhouse of minerals, specifically magnesium, manganese, and potassium. These minerals are the secret sauce that contributes to teeth whitening. Let's break it down one by one. Magnesium, a mineral known for its numerous health benefits, plays a surprising role in teeth whitening. It works in conjunction with calcium, present in your teeth, to form a hard enamel surface. This harder surface is not just stronger, but also whiter, thus giving you that bright smile. Next up is manganese. This mineral is a natural element and a critical component in the metabolic process. But how does it help with teeth whitening? Well, manganese speeds up the chemical reactions in your body, including the one that helps in removing stains from your teeth. When you rub a banana peel on your teeth, the manganese accelerates the breakdown of these stains, leaving your teeth cleaner and whiter. Lastly, we have potassium. This mineral, when combined with the natural moisture of your mouth, creates a paste-like substance. This substance seeps into your teeth's enamel, filling in the tiny surface cracks and smoothing out your teeth. The result? A shinier and whiter appearance. Now, you may wonder, how do these minerals get from the banana peel into your teeth? It's simple. When you rub the inner side of the banana peel on your teeth, these minerals are released. They then get absorbed into your teeth's enamel, where they work their magic. This process doesn't happen overnight, of course. Consistency is key, but with regular application, the minerals in the banana peel can indeed help to whiten your teeth, and all you have to do is save that peel next time you enjoy a banana. So, it's not magic, it's all about the minerals that help in polishing and whitening your teeth. So, what have we learned from our little exploration? Well, who would have thought that the humble banana peel could play a leading role in teeth whitening? It's not just a piece of biodegradable waste, but a treasure trove of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. These minerals can penetrate your teeth, fight off stains, and give you a whiter smile. To make use of this natural teeth whitener, simply rub the inside of a ripe banana peel on your teeth for 2 minutes, twice a day. It's as easy as that. But remember, it's not a substitute for your regular oral hygiene routine. Brushing and flossing are still essential, and you should continue them as usual. Also, remember, this is a gradual process. Don't expect instant results. But with consistency, you'll notice a change. Next time you eat a banana, think twice before tossing the peel. You might just be throwing away a natural solution for a brighter smile.